Genre descriptions. The most productive method of teaching genre up to date has been genre analysis. It is a useful approach used in EAP. Descriptions of the following genres are taught to the learners of doctorate and research articles: introductions, literature reviews, discussion sections, conclusions. Mostly the introduction follows the CARS model, which has been proposed by Swales. This model, first of all, creates a research space based upon 3 steps. Move 1, establishing the territory. Move 2, establishing a niche. Move 3, occupying the niche. In literature review as a genre, 2 dominant moves can be seen, move 1 and move 2, with move 3 occurring much less times. Citations are also an important genre to be considered, which is how the writers position themselves and what they focus on. In introductions, literature reviews, and discussion, the tendency is for non-integral citations to be used, focusing on information and not the people who are being quoted or cited. So these are usually placed outside the sentence. Citations are basically used for knowledge display in the writings of junior students, and in seniors it can be seen that citations are used to support the writer's line of thought. Discussions as a genre can be seen as a 9-move model as given by Dudley and Evans. Bechner has modified it to produce a 3-move model, which with the first move is providing background information, the second move is to present a statement of a result, and the third is to evaluate and comment on results or findings in a restatement of aims, research questions, and hypothesis. So the writer repeats a cycle of 2 followed by 3. The pattern is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, with the 3 dots showing that this pattern can be repeated many times. Students at this problem perceive their problems to be at the sentence level, while the supervisors, they focus on meaning at the paragraph level. Word coherence, genre requirements of rhetorical organizations are also considerations. The conclusion as a genre does not follow the same has the same generic structure as the discussion section. There is a small amendment of move 4. For example, here move 1 is restatement of aims and research questions. Move 2 is consolidation of present research findings and limitations. Move 3 is practical and theoretical implications. Move 4 is recommendations for further research, and move 5 is concluding restatement. Genre analysis is a useful and productive approach to teach dissertation and thesis writing.